Ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to share with you this viral funnel that is very high converting. There's 3 different ways to gain affiliate income and start earning your passive income today with this viral funnel. All right, so the first step is going to be creating your Earn Easy commissions account. This is free. It costs you absolutely nothing. Also, in the first step, you're going to want to watch this video that Liam has created. So you simply click the create free account, go here, and it's minimal information that you need to actually get this account set up for you. Okay, so that's on step 1. On step 2, you're going to want to go here. I've created my free Earn Easy account. Take me to step 2. In step number 2, this is going to be your second income source, your monthly passive income, and it is creating it with Builderall, which this is where this funnel has actually been created. In this step, you're also going to be able to access your passive income system, which is this actual funnel. So what I'm going to do here is actually click here and show you that it goes to the actual editor. So then all you have to do is follow the steps in the direction that William has created. Within this step, you got to change your affiliate links and whatnot. And you can see here that it is the same exact funnel that has been created and that you have seen in the previous step there. So here is, again, step 2, the one I just showed you. And in this step, it shows you exactly where you need to, go in and put your affiliate links and whatnot. All right. So once you're done with step number 2, you're going to say that you've saved your own copy of the system. Take me to step number 3. In step number 3, this is where you're going to create your free Udemy account. And also you're going to be able to have advanced training. So there's email swipes and whatnot in that step as well. So basically Udemy is a solo ad provider platform. And again, Liam explains all that in step number 3 here. But with this, this is where you're going to get some of your traffic. Not all, but it is paid traffic. You can always, of course, not pay for traffic and get free traffic. But all these accounts to set up are free. On step number 2, on the Builderall affiliate program, there's a 30-day free trial. So you can actually go in and make income with Builderall for free for 30 days. Costs you absolutely nothing. And just to be upfront, it does require you to put in your PayPal account. If you decide that it does not work for you, just contact customer care and they will take care of it and you will not be charged. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know. The link for this particular funnel will be in the information below. Otherwise, I look forward to you being on my team. Thank you.